it's me, Mila Martinico, also known as Mama Mila. Welcome to another episode in my kitchen, late night, a little delirious of At Home with me, Mama Mila. Listen, I think I've been on keto 700 million times in my life. Also with this pregnancy, I've had to really eat a lot of protein. You guys know my story of everything that's happened. So this is an easy way to get in that protein. And weirdly enough, my kids eat these. Like, I make them for me and Mateo, and my kids love them. So whatever, like, and when I say my kids, I mean the picky one. You know what I mean? Okay, so we are going to make these keto chicken nuggets. I make these in bulk. That's why we're gonna use 2 pounds of ground chicken, because my kids will just heat them up in the air fryer instead of like processed chicken nuggets. So just think about that. Let's talk about our ingredients. We have 2 pounds of ground chicken. I'm gonna take 2 eggs. I've got 2 cups of shredded cheddar. And then I have what is this, like a 1/3 cup of mayo. I've got parm. We're gonna measure that with the hearts. And then I have a teaspoon of garlic powder and a teaspoon of onion powder. And then I have salt, pepper, and a tiny bit of thyme. Let's get going. Okay, first things first, we're gonna protect our manicure. My nail girl, Natalie. Also, raw chicken in rings is probably disgusting. No fancy shots today because we are freaking delirious. We've been going all day, all right? So let's start first with our mayo. I don't have a spatula. With our mayo. The reason why we are putting mayo in here is because ground chicken's like super lean, so you need to add a fat in there like as a binder. That was very loud. Oh my God. Okay. Now let's put in our spices. Garlic powder, onion powder. I just got mayo. Oh my God. All over. This is so chaotic. This one's gonna be like Mila's After Dark or something. Oh God, and here comes the dog. Listen, I'm putting like 1/4 teaspoon at a time, okay? Okay, it's fine. We are gonna put, what is that, like 1/2 cup of parm? Yeah. All right, let's put 2 eggs. You know what? I don't trust this egg. 1. 2. Just like that. Wipe off my gloves. Stop being so chaotic. Pepper. I don't know what I thought this was gonna do in helping me, but there's that. Now we're gonna add in our cheese. I should have got a bigger bowl, but it's fine. Now we're just gonna smash it up like a meatball. Just like that. And we don't want to over mix it. This dog wants this so bad. She's like, okay. You know what? We're gonna add in just the rest of it. We're gonna go with 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. You can never have too much parm. Did I add salt in this yet? I don't think I did. Shoot. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna I have more gloves. I'm fine. I'm like a weird surgeon. I don't even know what's happening. Okay. This is a teaspoon. Salt. Did I put pepper? I did put pepper. But I like pepper. Let's get some more gloves. Okay, that's better. So the consistency is just like a meatball. Instead of using breadcrumbs, we use Parmesan. Like, how easy is that? Let's scoop them out. My lazy butt with this parsnip sheet. Let's get this sucker up to 425 because we want it to be crispy edges. There's like that's the best part about chicken, is them crispy edges. Okay, I just use a little scoop and then I just make like a little patty like that. Honestly, I do it like this, like we do at the restaurant. We make so many freaking meatballs at the restaurant and we're only open like 3 full days, but we do like 200 pounds of meatballs a week. It's insane. Like, we were talking about it, like we go through like 4 cows a month, being only open 3, 9, 12 full days. That's insane. Okay, look at our little patties. They're so cute. These are them. Aren't they beautiful? I have to make like 5 more trays of this. But we're gonna stick these in the oven at 425 for however long it takes, because I don't remember. Let's go. Follow me, I am a chef. I'm a professional. There we go. I'll see you in a minute. I don't even have friggin' ranch dressing to dip these in. We're back. It's been 16 minutes of pure, utter insanity. I'm fine. Am I fine? I'm fine. Okay, we're fine. God's good. Riley's on the floor. I'd be on the floor, but I don't think I could get up off the floor. And I've decided that since it's so crazy, we should take out my finest china. Listen, I personally think the best parts about these like little nuggets is this little crispy burnt cheese. And like, look at the bottom. I'm going, Oh wait, I should like plate them and pretend like we're professional. I'm a chef, I'm a professional. Look at this. Somebody's gonna watch this and be like, you're a chef, are you on cocaine? No. Anyways, okay, here we are. We're back on my finest china in at home with Mama Mila after dark. And let's taste these chicken nugget patties that I eat whenever I have to be keto, but they're really good and they're protein. My kids love them. You know, you heard my stuff in the beginning. Damn, it's hot. They're still flippin' delicious. Oh, really good. That burnt the whole way down. But I wish you could see, like, it's so juicy. Oh my God. Come closer. Like, look at, ready? I'm gonna squeeze it. Look at it. Oh, that was so gross sounding. Look at it. Juicy. Moist. The only thing that could make this better is if we stole some garlic ranch from the restaurant. These are really good. Okay, listen. Thank you for coming and watching me make these chaotic chicken patty nugget meatball things. I'll see you next time when I'm rested. But remember, tired people are like drunk people, so they tell the truth. I do love spending time with you, and I do love you. So follow me because I'm funny and because I'm a chef. my God, no, I'm not. Hi. Tanti Bachi.